Welcome to week 3. You've walked through 2 weeks of inner work, and I'm sure you needed to be brave, facing what was once hidden, releasing shame, grief, and the stories that no longer serve you. And now let's rebuild. And we do it softly, gently, and lovingly. And it's not about fixing anything, it's about returning to your body with a different energy, an energy of softness, tenderness, and a willingness to start again. This is about reclaiming your body as a safe space, not perfect, not predictable, but sacred, wise, and worthy of your own love. So I want to guide you through a visual process today. And whenever you're ready, I would like you to close your eyes. Let's take a deep breath in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in again. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And breathe normal. Let your breath settle. Let your shoulders soften. Your jaw loosen. And your breath becomes your anchor. Now bring your awareness to your body. Where do you notice any tightness, heaviness, sensation that feels blocked, uncomfortable? Just gently tune in. And now imagine that sensation, whatever it is right now. Give it a shape, a color or texture, maybe sharp, soft, big, small. Maybe it has even a temperature. And as always, there are no wrong answers to that. Let it come clearly into your awareness. And now I want you to imagine that you're gently reaching in and lifting that shape out of your body. Lifting it with curiosity, allowing it to flow out. You might feel a relief when it leaves your body. Hold it in one hand. Observe it for a moment. In which hand do you hold it? Can you move it to the other hand now? How does that feel? You're holding what your body has been carrying for a very long time. Can you move that shape now out in front of you? Can you look at it? Observe it. How does it feel? Has it changed when you changed your hand? Just observe, don't judge. Do you want to hold it? Would you like to place it back into your body? Even that's fine. the feelings come up. Where does it feel more right? In your right hand, on your left hand, or back in your body? Now I want you to allow yourself to hold it where it doesn't feel right. And leave it there. Now I want you to place this shape out in front of you, on the floor, on the ground, on the table. Rest it somewhere else. How does that feel now? Now can you imagine that it slowly begins to dissolve? Maybe it can sink into the soil, back to Mother Earth. Maybe it turns into light or mist or water. Let the earth take it from you. Let her hold it. You don't need to carry this anymore. The earth can hold it for you. Now place your awareness back in your heart space. And when you're there, begin to imagine a beautiful golden light. And this light surrounds you fully and completely. It's coming from your heart, flooding through your whole body. It's beautiful, it's golden. The light surrounds everything. It's within you. And it surrounds you. This is the presence of God, of the universe, of a divine intelligence. It's pure love. It wraps around you. It expands. It's everywhere. It moves into the room you're in and beyond the walls. It moves into your home. This pure love that's shining out of you, the light, it moves into your street. It moves into your city. And it keeps expanding. It reaches up into the sky. It reaches down into the earth. It stretches across oceans and forests and stars. This is you and your connection to something greater. You are supported. You are held. You're safe. You are surrounded and held by something holy. Breathe. Breathe into this light. Breathe into this truth. Place a hand on your heart and the other on your womb. And gently speak these words out loud. I'm safe. I belong in my body. I'm listening. I'm whole. There's nothing to fix today, nothing to figure out. Just this moment, just my breath, just its light. I am. I am enough. I'm already healed. One more deep breath in. You can open your eyes. I'll see you tomorrow.